Thanks for watching Sing Taran. Today we are going to make grilled salmon head. All you need is sea salt and salmon head. Add sea salt to the salmon head and massage it. To make it more tasty, you can choose to add lemon pepper. Preheat the oven at 220 degrees and bake the salmon for 15 minutes. Wow, look at the salmon oil. It's ready to serve. Eating fish head has lots of benefits, especially for brain and skin. It is rich in omega-3 and vitamin E. Thanks for watching my channel. Remember to subscribe to Sing Taran for more recipes.